Welcome back. Today we're diving into 3 easy steps to make money from home. If you want to ditch the commute, have more flexibility, or bring in extra cash, this video is for you. We're breaking down exactly what you need to do step by step to start building an income stream that fits your lifestyle. Forget the confusion and overwhelming information out there. We'll cover finding real remote jobs, exploring side hustles, and investing in yourself to boost your earning potential. These are practical approaches that have worked for countless people. So, grab a coffee and a notepad because this roadmap could change your financial situation. Let's get right into it and explore these 3 powerful steps to making money online from home. Let's kick things off with step 1, finding a legitimate remote job. The pandemic accelerated the shift to remote work, making it more achievable than ever. The benefits are obvious: no more commutes, saving money, and better work-life balance. The key here is legitimate. Focus on reputable job boards like FlexJobs, We Work Remotely, Remote.co, and LinkedIn. Check company websites, reviews, and their physical presence. Networking online can also unearth opportunities. Watch out for red flags like outrageously high salaries, upfront fees, and vague job descriptions. Highlight skills crucial for remote work: self-discipline, communication, time management, and tech proficiency. Prepare for video call interviews. Show your ability to work independently and stay motivated. Remote jobs offer incredible freedom and are increasingly common. Focus your search on reputable platforms and be vigilant against scams. Tailor your application to highlight your suitability for remote work. This isn't just about finding any job, it's about finding a good remote job that aligns with your skills and career goals. It takes persistence, but the payoff in terms of lifestyle and financial stability can be enormous. This is a foundational step for many in their work-from-home journey. Moving on to step 2, starting a side hustle from home. Side hustles offer a way to diversify your income streams with minimal upfront investment. You can set your own hours and work around existing commitments. Freelancing is a huge area: writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, video editing, or virtual assistants. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com are good places to start. Selling products online is another route: handmade crafts, art, or dropshipping. E-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce make it easy to set up an online store. You can also offer services directly: online tutoring, consulting, or virtual event planning. The key is identifying a need and marketing your service to the right audience. Passion and consistency are crucial. Start small, test your idea, get feedback, and then scale up. Dedicate specific blocks of time to your side hustle. Consistent effort builds momentum and leads to significant extra income from home. Our third step is investing in online courses and upskilling. Continuous learning is essential in today's job market. Investing in education makes you more valuable and adaptable. New skills can lead to higher salaries or premium freelance services. Learn coding, digital marketing, data analysis, or graphic design. New skills can also make you eligible for promotions. Online courses are accessible and often more affordable. Consider courses in project management, cybersecurity, or cloud computing. For side hustles, look at SEO, content marketing, or e-commerce. Platforms like Coursera, edX, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer quality courses. Check reviews, instructor credentials, and certificates. Choose courses with practical projects or case studies. Set clear goals, schedule study time, and apply your knowledge. The return on investment from a well-chosen course can be massive. You're investing in your most valuable asset, yourself. Lifelong learning sets you up for sustained success. So there you have it. 3 actionable steps to make money from home: securing a remote job, launching a side hustle, and investing in online courses. The key to success is consistency, a willingness to learn, and taking that first step. Even focusing on one of these avenues can make a significant difference. The online world is full of opportunities for those who are proactive and strategic. Commit to taking one small action this week. Research job boards, brainstorm side hustle ideas, or browse online courses. Small steps consistently taken lead to big results. The freedom and flexibility of earning an income online can be life-changing. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. See you in the next video.